If you've ever dreamt of unlocking the secret to truly healthy, strong hair, you might be surprised to learn that the answer isn't in some fancy bottle. Today, we are diving into the 6 essential vitamins and minerals that your hair is literally begging for to get that serious growth. Let's get right to it.
So, let me ask you something. Do you ever just look in the mirror and get kind of frustrated? Maybe your hair feels like it's thinning out, or it's super brittle, or it just won't grow. It's such a common feeling, right? But what if the fix isn't just about what you're putting on your hair? Because, while all those shampoos and serums are great, the real foundation for vibrant, resilient hair, that starts from the inside out. The secret to totally transforming your hair might actually be waiting for you in your kitchen. Yep, right on your plate. All right, so to make this super simple, we're going to break down these 6 key nutrients into 2 parts. First up, let's meet what I call the essential trio. These 3 form the absolute bedrock of amazing hair growth. Kicking things off with the absolute celebrity of hair vitamins, biotin, also known as vitamin B7. I want you to think of biotin as the head construction worker for your hair. Its main job is to produce keratin, and keratin is the protein that makes up over 90% of every single strand on your head. It's that simple. Without enough biotin, you're missing the most important building block. And here's the great news. Biotin is actually pretty easy to find. It's packed into foods like eggs, and by the way, don't you dare skip that yolk, and also in nuts like almonds and walnuts, whole grains, and delicious fatty fish like salmon. Honestly, a handful of almonds as a snack or an egg for breakfast is a fantastic way to start. Okay, our second power player is vitamin A. The easiest way to think about this one? It's your scalp's own personal moisturizer. It helps your glands produce something called sebum, which is just the natural oil that keeps your scalp from getting dry and your hair from becoming brittle. It's basically nature's conditioner, and vitamin A keeps it flowing. And you can totally spot vitamin A sources by their color. Just look for those vibrant orange and deep green veggies. Sweet potatoes are an absolute powerhouse, but so are carrots, dark leafy greens like spinach and kale, and even pumpkin. And rounding out our first trio is the incredibly multi-talented vitamin C. It actually plays this really cool dual role. First, it's a powerful antioxidant, so it protects your hair follicles from damage. Second, your body needs it to create collagen, which is a protein that makes hair strong. And, get this, as a bonus, it dramatically helps your body absorb iron, which, spoiler alert, is another mineral we're going to talk about in just a minute. Of course, we all think of oranges when we hear vitamin C, right? And for good reason. But don't sleep on other amazing sources like strawberries, bell peppers of all colors, and even broccoli. Fun fact, a single red bell pepper can actually have more vitamin C than an orange. Okay, we've covered the foundational trio. Now let's talk about the supporting cast. These next 3